Hi everyone, this is Steve File, the embedded librarian in the course. I've received some emails and I guess people are confused a little bit about how to find the Encyclopedia of New York State as well as a recent book on your communities that you're doing your Mind New York project for. So I thought I'd do a very quick video on how you can do that. The first thing you need to do for both questions is to start at the library homepage. So if you go to www.pace.edu/library, it will take you to the screen that we have up right now. In terms of finding the Encyclopedia of New York State, what you do is you'd click on the Center tab, Books and Media, and then change it from keyword to title, and you type in the title of the book that you're looking for. So Encyclopedia of New York State, hit enter, and it'll come up on the screen the book that you'll be using for the class. You'll notice that it's at the reference desk here in the Mortola Library in Pleasantville, so you just ask for it there. If you're on the New York City campus, you go to the Birnbaum reference stacks and you can find it there, or you can always ask at the reference desk and they can point it out. Just look it up alphabetically by whatever community that what you're doing, and then photocopy what you need from the book. So that's the way you find the Encyclopedia of New York State and the two locations where you find that. In terms of finding the community that you're looking for, again, you start back at the library homepage, click on Books and Media, change it instead of title, go over to Subject, and type in the name of your community. So I will just be doing Rochester as an example. Put in your name, Rochester plus N space Y. It's kind of a weird thing, but that's the way it comes up. So basically that's the way you search for Rochester, New York. Do the search, and you'll come up with a listing of different possible subjects about Rochester. The ones that you're really interested in looking at would be Rochester, New York history. So if you click there, a few books on Rochester's history. Again, you're looking for a most recent book, so you're really not looking for this 1978 book, but this book here, Made in Rochester. Which is from 2015. It's currently checked out right now, most likely by someone in the class. Would be one that you would use. If you need a book that is currently checked out, what you can do is if you click and it's not available, you can click on the Connect New York button up at the top, which will rerun the search in our consortium, and you can choose a book from here. Again, you're really looking for the history one, or maybe pictorial works is another one. So here's New York history, Rochester, New York history. There's a lot more in our consortium. But you'd either look for history, or like I said, maybe pictorial works, which may bring up the same book, Rochester Through Time. This is another one located in the Birnbaum Library, and this one is available that you could use. If it's not on the campus that you're home-based in, what you would do is, if you need this sent up, let's say, from the Birnbaum stacks to the Mortola stacks, what you do is you'd click on the Request button here, put your name and your library barcode, and follow the instructions after that to have it delivered up to your local library. Yeah, that's the way that you would look for the most recent book on your community. If you're not finding anything yet, please post to me in the Blackboard forum. You'd have to, otherwise, using interlibrary loan, I can help you with that if you need to get it from a different campus. But for the most part, you should have a very recent book on each of your communities available within the PACE library catalog. Again, please reach out to me in the Blackboard discussion group, or if you need to reach out, you can also send me an email at sfeil@pace.edu, or give me a call at 914-773-3233, and I'll get back in touch with you. But hope that helps you out, and see you soon.